Hello, my name is Alina, and I'm a librarian in the art department of the Free Library of Philadelphia. We're located on the second floor of the Parkway Central Library, and that's where we have the largest collection of books, magazines, and other materials on art subjects in your free public library system. Here's an example of a book you can borrow from us. It's called The Handprinting from Nature, and it's also available as an ebook. You can borrow that online with your library card. And I'm holding up a head of broccoli because I think broccoli is very neat. It's actually the flowering part of the plant that we eat. These are flower buds about to bloom into flowers, and that's when we eat them. And you can make prints from broccoli, and this is an example of what that looks like from that book. And an example of a print I made using that book. So, hope to see you in the art department one day.
Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Paul. I've been a chef for about 15 years in Philadelphia and surrounding areas. I actually graduated Drexel Culinary Arts program. And right now I'm doing a series called Lakai, which is a pop-up in around Philadelphia, cooking traditional Haitian food that I grew up eating. We're going to show you how to prep some broccoli. Very simple ingredient. I like using broccoli. I've used it a lot in a lot of my ventures, including at a food truck, a restaurant. It was a very popular selling item. So we're going to prep this broccoli up in a simple manner. Really just a couple seasonings. We have salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of lemon juice. We're just going to pull this apart. It's a lot easier than it looks. You don't even need a knife. You can just pull each of these stems apart. In the meantime, I have my water boiling in a kettle. If you have that, a lot easier. Tea kettle is fine, however you want to get it to a boil. And we're going to just make sure the pieces are even. Notice these darker green stems. Part of the stem are actually very fibrous. They're not as pleasant to eat, but once you peel them off, using your nails and sort of pulling away at it, you'll get like this lighter green area here that's actually really nice and crunchy. And we've had our broccoli sitting in some boiling hot water that's seasoned with salt for a couple minutes. As you can see, it's really nice and bright greens. And in my next bowl, I just have my olive oil, salt, pepper, and some fresh lemon juice that we'll just go ahead and toss it all in. So there you go. You have a super bright and colorful broccoli. You have a ton of chlorophyll still packed in there, super nutritious, still has some good crunch. So, what else would you guys like to blanch?
Hey, I'm Sunshine. You know what? I love vegetables. You know what my favorite vegetable is? Broccoli. You know why? Because I love the little hairs that are on top of it. You know, they can slice them up and get all stemmy. So, you know what else I love to do? Play some music. And before I do that, I like to get a rhythm going. And then I get a rhythm, some music. And I added some words. Said I love my vegetables. Gotta have my broccoli too. And I'll mix it in my sandwiches. And I put it in my soup. Yeah. Happy cooking, everybody.